Wow, can you believe it? We may be on the verge of one of Tesla's biggest FSD updates yet, version 14.3, and it could be bigger and better than ever. But realistically, it could come with some possible regressions, as all AI models tend to do. Elon posted today at 2:05 a.m. April 1st, 2026, that FSD 14.3 is in Tesla employee beta now and will probably go wide release end of week. Well, Tesla's next full self-driving update may be arriving sooner than expected. Following what Elon Musk just posted early morning today, it's now confirmed that FSD 14.3 has entered internal employee testing, signaling that a broader rollout could be just days away. For Tesla owners who have been watching the steady progression of FSD updates, this is one of the clearest indications yet that a significant step forward is imminent. A delayed but strategic rollout of FSD 14.3 has been a long time coming. Originally outlined as part of Tesla's late 2025 roadmap, the update was expected to be here in December. Instead, Tesla shifted focus toward refining the existing stack through a series of version 14.2 updates. These interim releases emphasize stability, smoothing out edge cases, and improving real-world performance rather than introducing major new features. While some users were anticipating a faster leap forward, Tesla's approach reflects the reality of developing autonomy. Progress often comes through iteration, not just breakthroughs. Now, with 14.3 entering employee beta, it appears Tesla is ready to deliver a more substantial upgrade. What could be included? Well, Tesla hasn't officially detailed what's coming in this version, but expectations are high. One of the most anticipated additions is Banish, a next-generation evolution of Autopark. The idea is simple but powerful. Your Tesla drops you off at your destination, then independently navigates to the parking lot to find and occupy a space. If introduced, this would mark a meaningful step toward true hands-free vehicle operation. Another likely focus is updating on summon features. Now, both actual Smart Summon and Basic Summon still rely on older software stacks. That makes them feel noticeably less refined than modern FSD behavior. Migrating these features to Tesla's latest end-to-end neural network system could dramatically improve their responsiveness, their smoothness, and of course, reliability. Now, moving closer to true autonomy, when Tesla introduced earlier versions of FSD 14, Elon hinted that future updates would bring the system closer to feeling sentient. While that claim set high expectations, it also underscores Tesla's broader goal, creating a system that doesn't just react, but actually understands. At this stage, most of the foundational pieces of autonomous driving are already in place: city navigation, highway driving, parking, and complex maneuvering. The focus now is on refinement and consistency, pushing the system forward to operating safely with human supervision. Now, smarter decision-making is the next key thing. Ahead of one of the most important advancements expected in version 14.3 is improved reasoning. Tesla's AI leadership has already indicated that early reasoning capabilities were already introduced in version 14.2. With 14.3, those capabilities are expected to expand, allowing the vehicle to better interpret unfamiliar scenarios and make more context-aware decisions. Rather than simply reacting to what's directly in front of it, the system is evolving to anticipate and adapt closer to how human drivers actually think through complex situations. Here's the bigger picture. As Tesla continues to push forward for unsupervised full self-driving, updates like 14.3, they play a pretty critical role. Each iteration brings incremental improvements, but collectively, they move the platform closer to a future where the driver intervention is no longer required. If Elon's timeline holds, Tesla owners may not have to wait long to experience the next phase of that journey. So, if you liked this video, please comment, like, and maybe even subscribe. Subscribers like you are what keeps my channel growing and keeps me motivated to put in the work. And if you're thinking about buying a Tesla, visit my site, qcteslaguy.com, and click the referral button at the top of the page. Currently, Tesla is giving 3 free months of FSD away for referrals on a new purchase of a vehicle or even a lease. I want to tell you something pretty exciting. I have been working with some companies and collaborating with them, and I have discount codes for you guys on some great products. Now, I don't get much money, but every little bit helps. So here's what you can do. You can go and save 10% on any products from Reeva, REEVAA. So go to reevalife.com and use code UWLCFLA4, and you can find videos and links in the description from my previous reviews and a link to the site and the code I just mentioned. So Reeva even sells pet products for your vehicle. And keep a lookout for my upcoming video where I'm going to review some of those products. Again, that's reevalife.com, and the code is UWLCFLA4, and that's a mouthful, so I'll say it again, UWLCFLA4 for 10% off. Now next, we have evbase.com. So evbase.com, you can use my code QCTeslaGuy to get 20% off your orders. They have some amazing products that you may want to take a look at to customize your Tesla. Keep an eye out for a future video there where I'm going to be reviewing some wheel covers they sent me for my Model 3 Highland, but they sell the same for the Model Y, the S, the X, maybe even Cybertruck, but they sell lots of stuff. So go to evbase.com and use code QCTeslaGuy to save 20%. Now last, you can visit Handshow, HANSSHOW.com, and use my code QCTeslaGuy to save 20% on your orders. If you like electronic upgrades and more for your Tesla, check out the awesome products at their site. Again, that's handshow.com. The code is QCTeslaGuy to save 20%. Now, you can find all the codes and the links to the sites in the description and more, including my affiliate links for products I personally purchased on Amazon. It won't cost you any more, and it simply helps my channel. Now, if you haven't seen my previous video on day one ownership of a Tesla, click here. And if you haven't seen my video on the differences between adaptive cruise control, auto steer beta, and full self-driving, click here. So until next time, use technology to drive safe so that you can live life.